Hey guys, let's make some chocolate chip cookies. Start out with a medium-sized bowl for our dry ingredients. First, add some flour and some baking powder, some baking soda, and a little bit of salt. Whisk it all together until it's evenly distributed. In a large bowl, add 1 cup of room temperature butter, some brown sugar, and granulated sugar and vanilla extract. Using a hand mixer on medium speed, cream it all together until fluffy. Now we're going to add 2 eggs to the mixture. Add 1 egg at a time, mixing and then scraping with a spatula up the sides like this after each addition. Let's add our flour mixture into the wet ingredients. Mix on low speed until it's even. Now we've got some delicious cookie dough right here. Add the chocolate chips to the dough. I'm using a mix of dark and milk chocolates. Just fold them into the dough. Scoop balls of dough onto a lined baking sheet. Put them in the oven at 350 degrees, bake until golden brown, about 17 minutes. Yum! Can't wait to get my hands on one of these. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye!